Today we'll show you how to install the REESE Goose box, part number 94920. The REESE Goose box is specifically designed for fifth wheel RV trailer owners who wish to tow with a gooseneck hitch. It replaces a traditional pin box on a fifth wheel trailer and is available in a 20,000 pound capacity. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. During this installation, we'll use the following tools. Begin the installation by removing the safety lanyard breakaway switch and original equipment manufacturer pin box from the fifth wheel trailer. Once the trailer's original pin box is removed, you will need to determine the proper bolt hole locations for mounting the REESE Goose box to your fifth wheel trailer's wing set. The Goose box is uniquely designed to fit a variety of wing set mounting patterns, including the Rhino bolt hole pattern on Lippert trailers. The height of the Goose box should be adjusted in the trailer's wing set so that there is a minimum of 7 inches of clearance between the top of the truck's bed and the underside of the front of the fifth wheel trailer. Once the proper location is determined, lift the Goose box into place, aligning its bolt holes with the mounting holes on the trailer's wings. Thread the 5/8 hex bolts and flat washers through these aligned holes, then fasten them with the included conical washers and hex nuts. After all the hardware is in place, tighten it to 210 foot-pounds using a torque wrench. After everything has been tightened, reattach the safety lanyard breakaway switch. Next, we will inflate the Goose box's airbag to provide a superior ride and smoother driving experience while traveling. To do this, couple the trailer to the tow vehicle and retract the trailer's landing gear. Once the truck and trailer are safely hitched, add air to the airbag fill valve located on top of the Goose box. The REESE Goose box is designed with an easily visible air pressure indicator located in the middle of the badge to help determine the proper amount of inflation when filling the airbag. This allows you to quickly inflate the airbag to your preferred position for maximum towing comfort. To prevent overfilling, the REESE Goose box is equipped with a special air fill valve that will not allow the airbag to become overinflated. This wraps up the installation for the REESE Goose box, part number 94920. For more information on this and other great products from REESE, visit reeseproducts.com.